Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you exactly how can you add something to your highlights on Instagram without getting your followers to see it in your story first. Matter of fact, they will never be able to see it in your story, only in your highlights on your profile. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end. First, let's get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and simply search for Instagram. Here we need to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can create from the store, open Instagram. Let's start by opening your profile. So tap the profile picture in the bottom right corner right here, and then from there tap on the three lines that should be in the top right corner right there guys. And from here, let's open settings and privacy. So tap here at the top of these options, and once in settings, you need to find a category that says hide, story, and live. You should scroll down a little bit and find it right here under blocked. So all you need to do is to tap on it, and in it you find the one option that says hide, story, and live from. From here you find all of your followers. Make sure you select every single follower you have here, because after this we're gonna post a story and they will never see it once you select them in this category. So go back to your profile and then tap on your profile picture right here. You'll be taken to your gallery or something like that. Just tap on the picture or the video that you want to add to your highlights. Let's say I'm gonna select this one, and then from here go ahead and add this to your story. After that, go to your profile and tap on this new icon right here to create a highlight. You find the story that you have just added in the bottom right corner, tap on it, then tap on next in the top right corner. From here you can create the highlight by naming it. You can change the cover. Once you're done, tap on done in the top right corner right here. And just like that, you have created the highlight you wanted without people getting to see your story. Just make sure you don't delete the story in 24 hours, and after 24 hours go back to settings and remove those people that you have selected earlier in the hide, story, and live from category. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in a future video.